In today's video, we are going to be sublimating on this Dollar Tree photo paper. I bet you didn't think you can sublimate on photo paper, but we're going to be attempting that in this video. So if you want to see how it turns out, just keep watching. The Dollar Tree paper comes, the Dollar Tree photo paper, it's the Jot Premium Photo Paper, comes in 8.5 by 11. It's premium gloss paper. I have tried printing on this and honestly it wasn't the best quality, so we're going to try sublimating on it instead. I have finished all of my full size and I have a few of just scraps, so it's not a full size, but this is what we're going to be sublimating on. It is obviously glossy on one side and just solid on the other side. So the glossy side is the side that we're sublimating onto. I have my image already and I sized it to fit the paper, so we're going to move to the heat press. So for this project you're going to need butcher paper. If you want to know where I get mine on Amazon. It's like $12.99 for the roll, and for me it lasts a whole year. But it also depends how often you do sublimation. You're going to need your Dollar Tree photo paper, your design, this one's on Aza paper. You're going to need some heat gloves, and you're going to need some heat tape. This one's also from Amazon. Always make sure you get a dispenser. It makes your life 100% easier. Trust me, I didn't have one for a really long time, and I discovered that, oh my gosh, it's a necessity. So we're going to take our photo paper, and you want to just make sure there's no lint and stuff on it. Same thing with your paper. Make sure you don't have any on it. Gotta line it up. Then I'm going to take some heat tape down. I'm just going to do one on each side, although I think I'm going to do the corners too, just to make sure that they all get sublimated. I got my heat press at 400 degrees and we're going to do 45 seconds. So then we're going to put in our butcher paper. You want to put in your butcher paper so that when the ink sublimation becomes a gas. So it's going to go up to your heat press if you don't put this, and then whatever else you press, it's going to press onto there. So we don't want that. So remember, 400 degrees for 45 seconds. So you can kind of see a little bit on the butcher paper that the design is on there. So here's the moment of truth. We're going to take our heat gloves, because it is going to be very hot. I'm going to pull up one corner. Ooh. Better than printing onto the paper. Way better. Sublimates. This is like making my skin look flawless. Hey!